I think as artists, it's a great idea to always create what you love and have fun doing it. Allowing yourself to create something from your childhood, like a favorite celebrity, a singer, a superhero, or even a fictional film character, gives us a chance to steer away from the by-the-books approach that can sometimes be very strict and uninspired. So if you're a new artist looking for fun ways to approach drawing realism through the fundamentals of freehand drawing by the way of pop culture, I can teach you these techniques in this course. Mastering the fundamentals of freehand drawing with graphite pencil is one way to do so. And which iconic fictional hero to draw than Yoda, one of the most recognizable film characters of all time. And come on, who doesn't like our wrinkly friend, Master Yoda?
Surrounds us, and binds us. Luminous beings so be, not this crude matter. You must feel the force around you.
I created an easy step-by-step guide on how to draw faces using 3 small exercises and the required materials to create them. And one of the most important to have is a reference photo where I make it available and easy to download, a value scale template which will help us create our soft blended realistic look, and at the end of this lesson you can even upload your project in the project section of this course. I'll be guiding you through the necessary steps in order to create our subject using our observational skills. And by mastering the fundamentals of freehand drawing, I want to challenge you to break away from that fear that creating realistic art is for professionals only and turn that intimidation into a fun learning experience that will carry on into your art journey. I hope you feel inspired to join me in this course and get all of that boring stuff out of the way and just jump right into it with your favorite pop culture icon. Let's go.